Violence isn't the answer, sir.
Oh, yeah? Huh.
You missed me. Hey, Fidel. Huh?
You jerk!
Jimbo!
Oh, Gohan, I don't even want to look. How bad is it?
Well, I think I'll be okay.
Huh? He pounded you in the face and you don't even have a scratch.
I don't? Not even a black eye? Man, how lucky can you get?
That was Mr. Satan's kid. We might have to get the boss to take care of her as well.
I can handle that little punk. She just caught me off guard. Shoot, it's that little skinny kid that's unusual. Yeah, I think I busted my hand on his face.
What?
No joke. I felt like I was hitting a wall of solid steel.